Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is components of environmental scanning. Environmental scanning. Environmental scanning is the process of gathering information about events and their relationships within an organization's internal and external environments. The basic purpose of environmental scanning is to help management determine the future direction of the organization. Environmental scanning usually conducted in the process of preparing a strategic plan with the goal being to identify threats and opportunities for your business. The various components of business environments are external environment and internal environment. External environment. It consists of factors that affect a business enterprise from outside. It includes shareholders, competitors, customers, society, government laws and regulations, policies and technology. External environment can be further classified into micro environment and macro environment. The components of business environment can be clearly understood with the help of following diagram. Business environment is classified into two categories. One is internal environment and another is external environment. External environment is further classified into micro environment and macro environment. Micro environment includes customers, suppliers, competitors, public, financiers and marketing intermediaries. Macro environment includes economic factors, social cultural factors, demographic factors, political or government factors, natural factors, technological factors and global factors. Whereas internal environment includes promoters, shareholders, values, missions and objectives, management structure, nature of business, internal power relationships, company image, brand equity, physical assets, facilities, research and development and technological capabilities, human resources and marketing capabilities. External environment. Let us elaborate external environment. External micro environment. It includes those players whose decisions and actions have a direct impact on the company. Production and selling of commodities are the two important aspects of modern business. The various constituents of micro environment are as under. First, supplier of inputs. An important factor in external microenvironment of a firm is the supplier of its inputs, such as raw material and component suppliers. Second, customers. The people who buy and use a firm's product and services are an important part of external microenvironment. Since sales of a product or service is critical for a firm's survival and growth, it is necessary to keep the customer satisfied. Third, marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediaries plays an essential role of selling and distributing the company's products to the final customers. Marketing is an important link between business firm and its ultimate customers. Fourth, competitors. Different firms in an industry compete with each other for sale of their products. These competition may be on the basis of pricing of their products and also non-price competition through competitive advertising, such as sponsoring some events to promote the sale of different varieties and models of their products. Fifth is public. Public is any group that has an actual or potential interest in or impact on the company's ability to achieve its objectives. Environmentalists, media groups, women associations, consumer protection groups, local groups, citizen associations are some important examples of public which have an important bearing on the business decisions of the firm. External macro environment. Apart from micro environment, business firms face large external environmental forces. An important fact about external macro environment forces is that they are uncontrollable by the management. Because of the uncontrollable nature of macro forces, a firm has to adjust or adapt it to these external forces. These factors are: first, economic environment. Economic environment includes all those forces which have an economic impact on business. Accordingly, total economic environment consists of agriculture, industrial production, infrastructure, planning, basic economic philosophy, strategies of economic development, trade cycles, national income, per capita income, savings, money supply, price level, and population. These all factors affect the functioning of an organization. Second, political legal environment. Political legal environment includes the activities of three political institutions, namely legislature, executive, and judiciary, which usually plays a useful role in shaping, directing, developing, and controlling business activities. In order to attain a meaningful business growth, a stable and dynamic political legal environment is very important. Third, technological environment. Technology implies systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks or activities. Business makes it possible for technology to reach the people in proper format. As technology is changing fast, businessmen should keep a close look on those technological changes for its adaptation in their business activities. Global or international environment. It plays an important role in shaping business activity. With the liberalization and globalization of the economy, business environment of an economy has become totally different, wherein it has to bear all shocks and benefits arising out of global environment. Social culture environment. Socio-cultural environment influences the business environment indirectly. It includes people's attitude to work and wealth, ethical issues, role of family, marriage, religion, education, and also social responsiveness of business. Demographic environment. Demographic environment includes the size and growth of population, life expectancy of people, rural-urban distribution of population, the technological skills and education levels of labor force. All these demographic factors have an important bearing on the functioning of business firms. Natural environment. Natural environment influences business in diverse ways. It is the ultimate source of many inputs such as raw material and energy, which firms uses in their production activity. The availability of natural resources in the region of or a country is the basic factor in determining business activity in it. The natural environment includes geographical and ecological factors such as minerals and oil reserves, water and forest resources, weather and climatic conditions, and port facilities, which are highly significant for various business activities. The natural environment also affects the demand for goods. For example, in places